In this video, I'm going to show you how to create professional-looking logos using Gemini AI. And the best part is that you won't need to write complex prompts. Instead, we'll use Gemini Nano Banana Pro's image reference feature, which allows you to copy the style of an existing logo and apply your own creative twist to it. This method is fast, effective, and produces logos that look ready for real business or brand use. Let's get started by opening Gemini. I'm using the web version, but this same process also works on the Gemini mobile app. Once Gemini is open, click on the side menu and navigate to the Gems section. This feature allows you to create reusable AI setups for specific tasks. Click on New Gem, then give your gem a name. For this example, I'll call it Geometric Logo Generator, but you can name it anything you like. After naming your gem, you'll see an option to add instructions. This is where the magic happens. In the instruction field, paste the prompt provided in the video description. You only need to add this instruction once, and you can reuse the same gem anytime you want to generate new logos. Make sure the model selected is Gemini Nano Banana Pro, as this model supports image referencing and is excellent at understanding and replicating visual styles. To demonstrate how powerful this is, I'll use an example logo that someone shared on X. Even though it's already AI generated, it has a clean and modern design that works perfectly as a reference. Upload this image into your gem. If you have multiple reference images, you can upload more, but I recommend sticking to just one to avoid confusing the AI. Once the image is uploaded, click Save and wait a few seconds for the gem to be ready. Now you can start using it. You can either click directly on the gem or go back to the Gemini homepage, start a new chat. Open the Gems menu and select your logo generator gem. Now it's time to create your logo. Simply describe your business idea in plain language. For example, you might say you want a logo featuring a potted plant because you sell decorative plants for homes and offices. Keep it simple. Gemini will handle the design details for you. Before sending the message, make sure you're using the thinking model, as it delivers better design reasoning and more accurate results than the standard version. Once selected, send your request and wait about 20 to 30 seconds while Gemini generates the logo. After the generation is complete, you'll see a logo that closely follows the style of your reference image while incorporating your unique business concept. The results are impressive, clean, and visually consistent, perfect for branding purposes. If you ever need more inspiration, you can search Google for logo design ideas and use any style you like as a reference. With this gem setup, you can reuse the same instruction over and over to create multiple professional logos in different styles. That's how you can create high-quality professional logos using Gemini AI with image references. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.